The 2025 KTM 350 EXC-F 6 Days represents the pinnacle of enduro motorcycles, continuing a tradition that began in 1996 with the original 6 Days model. Nearly 3 decades later, this bike carries forward the legacy with numerous updates and advanced features designed to meet the demands of modern riders. This model is part of KTM's EXC-6 Days range, specifically engineered to excel in the most challenging off-road conditions. It comes equipped with a class-leading frame, cutting-edge closed cartridge suspension, and new bodywork, all contributing to its enhanced ability to dominate in competitive environments. Key features and design elements. One of the standout features of the 2025 KTM 350 EXC-F 6 Days is its orange glossy frame, which not only adds to the bike's aesthetic appeal but also provides structural integrity. The bike also includes a frame protection set, 6 Days specific seat, map select switch, traction control, and a quick shifter. These elements are complemented by orange anodized CNC machined triple clamps and an orange front axle puller, which contribute to the bike's overall performance and ease of maintenance. Additionally, the semi-floating front brake disc and solid rear brake disc, coupled with a rear brake safety wire and a Supersprock Stealth rear sprocket, ensure top-notch braking performance. Advanced suspension and engine design. The KTM EXC-F 6 Days range boasts a tool-free suspension setup at both ends, making adjustments quick and easy. At the rear, KTM's legendary PDS technology features hand-adjustable dual compression controls, allowing riders to fine-tune high and low-speed settings in seconds. The front forks are also easily adjustable, thanks to hand-adjustable clickers on the fork shoe and top cap. This ensures that riders can adapt to varying terrain conditions effortlessly. The bike's air filter box is designed for maximum airflow while minimizing water intrusion, with a twin air filter that is easily accessible for fast maintenance. Performance and reliability. The 2025 KTM 350 EXC-F 6 Days is powered by a lightweight, compact engine that weighs only 28.8 kilograms. The engine features a 2 degrees backward tilt for an impeccable center of gravity, and its high-revving, low-friction design ensures optimal performance at every throttle twist. The quick shifter, a standard feature on the 4-stroke EXC-F 6 Days models, allows for clutchless upshifts, enhancing the riding experience. This system can be deactivated via the map select switch and is active from 2nd to 6th gear. Additionally, the bike's traction control system monitors throttle input and engine RPM to ensure maximum grip in wet and muddy conditions. Off-road control and electrical systems. The Off-Road Control Unit, OCU, is another innovative feature of the 2025 KTM 350 EXC-F 6 Days. Located under the seat, the OCU replaces traditional electronic fuses and relays, offering a more reliable and efficient system for managing electrical outputs. In the event of an overcurrent, the system deactivates outputs individually, making it easier to diagnose and resolve electrical issues on the trail. The OCU's status indicators provide real-time feedback, ensuring that riders can address problems quickly without the need for additional tools or fuses. Rider comfort and ergonomics. The 2025 KTM 350 EXC-F 6 Days is designed with rider comfort and control in mind. The bike features a rider-focused body position triangle that improves knee contact, especially when standing on the pegs. The plastics are engineered to expel mud buildup in wet conditions, and the flat seat profile with a high-grip cover ensures exceptional rider movement and control. The polyamide reinforced aluminum subframe provides unmatched feedback, allowing riders to feel connected to the terrain. The bike's exhaust system is optimized for performance, with a compact 2-piece header pipe design that maximizes mass centralization and minimizes exposure to rocks. Pricing and conclusion. The 2025 KTM 350 EXC-F 6 Days is a premium model, reflecting KTM's commitment to quality, innovation, and performance. While the exact price may vary depending on the market and region, it is expected to be in the higher range, consistent with the advanced features and specialized components included in this model. For enduro enthusiasts seeking a top-tier motorcycle that excels in the most demanding conditions, the 2025 KTM 350 EXC-F 6 Days is an exceptional choice that continues the legacy of the 6 Days series. With its combination of cutting-edge technology, rider-focused design, and competitive capabilities, this bike is poised to remain the benchmark in enduro performance.